Hello and welcome to Neat and Tangled YouTube channel. Daria here, and I'm really happy that you're joining me today. In this video I'm going to make a card with the Floral Wreath using Friendly Florals stamp set from the March release. I'm really enjoying playing with it lately and I hope you can give it a try too. You can make a full wreath or just a half wreath, or even probably just a stem going through the whole of your card. But for today's video I'm going to stop at making just a simple round wreath. I started from the background. To make it I used one of our stencils, that one called Parquet, and I really like that intricate, detailed view you can get from it. So I just applied distress oxidings using applicator in peacock feathers. That's one of my favorite color and I'm sure many of you love it too. And then I used a little bit of Nuvo Glimmer paste in gold, and that's the first time I'm using it, and I'm sure I'm gonna use it a lot, seriously. And it gives some kind of texture and shine and sparkles, and it's a little bit uneven. I really like the result. I die cut a bunch of pieces from Friendly Florals stamp set using coordinating dies, and then I stamped all of them at once. I found it to be more easier and faster than to die cut each piece individually later. And I'm starting to build my wreath by placing the biggest part, the biggest flower clusters, in a circle shape. I'm adhering them with a piece of washi tape, and then I'm going to flip it up and adhere to my card base with some foam tape. After that, I'm going to add little bits and pieces behind some of the leaves, or maybe on top of them, just to make it more full and more rich. I left it for a day, and then when I came back to it, I realized that something is missing. I felt that my wreath is kind of detached from the background, that nothing unites them, and I had this trick. I took some gold glitter paper from American Crafts and I cut leaves out of it and then tucked them here and there, and that helped me to unite my central piece with the background. I also decided to change my sentiment, as at first I was thinking that just black stem sentiment on a button-shaped piece will work great, but then I saw that it kind of doesn't coordinate well. So I went with heat embossing, of course in gold, to stay within our color palette. And I like the way it turned out. I think it works much better. And the sentiment is from So Many Sentiments stamp set released earlier. I think it's a great one as it has so many great sentiments, and they're of a perfect size, I would say, for so many occasions. Basically, that's it, our card is done. I hope you like it. I also have another video you can check out how to make a half wreath in a much simpler way, and please don't hesitate to ask any questions if you have so, and tag us in social media, subscribe, and let's stay in touch. See you soon. Bye bye.